Recently, there's been a lot of hype around a new AI video model called Seedance 2. Some people are even saying it could rival Sora. But before version 2 officially arrives, we can already generate AI videos using Seedance 1. So today, I'm going to show you how to create an AI video using any video converter. And honestly, the results are already pretty impressive. Inside any video converter, just open AI Video Generator. Here you can generate videos using the Seedance model. And the process is actually super simple. All you need to do is describe the scene you want. Let's try something cinematic. I'll enter this prompt. Then choose the video resolution and video length. And click Generate. Let's take a look at the result. You can already see the lighting, the atmosphere, and the overall cinematic feel. And keep in mind, this is generated using Seedance 1. Now imagine what this could look like with Seedance 2. From the early previews, it looks like it improves things like character consistency, camera motion scene understanding, which means the videos could look even more cinematic and realistic. I'll also be testing more AI video prompts in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.